Add a couple of Lotus biscuits on it, and here are two peeled banana. These are small banana actually, hence I've taken two of them. I'll just make them into pieces. It will blend nicely. There you go. And I'm going to add some milk. To begin with, I'll just add about 200 ml of milk approximately. So the biscuit and the banana will blend nicely, and then later on we can top it up with more milk. I'm just going to blend it. Now that it is blended, I'm just going to open this. A quick check to see if there are any chunky banana bits in there. It looks nicely blended now. Adding some more milk just to make it up to say for 400 ml or so, and blend it a bit more. I have blended for just about a minute now, and here is the smoothie ready. It's nicely blended. Here is our Lotus banana smoothie ready now. Time to taste it. This is the finished smoothie now. It looks very yummy. Hope you like this very simple recipe. Do try it and let me know. Thank you.